Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Facebook account on app. So it's pretty simple. Well, first and foremost, you want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen, and then you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. From over here, you want to click on see more in account center at the top, which is in blue color, and then you want to click on personal detail over here. And then you want to click on account ownership and control, and from here click on deactivate or deletion. Once you do that, choose your Facebook. Once you choose your Facebook, you want to choose delete account, and then click on continue. Once you do that, remember deleting your Facebook account will also delete all your page which is linked with your account. If you're okay with that, click on continue, and then you want to choose the reason on why you want to delete Facebook and click on continue. And on the next step, you want to click on continue again, and then over here scroll all the way down. If you want to download your information, you can click on download info to download your information, because once your Facebook is deleted, it's going to be completely removed. Click on continue. Once you do that, at the next step, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your Facebook account. Enter the password and click on continue, and your Facebook account will be deleted after 30 days. If you want to recover your Facebook account, you can re-log in into your Facebook account within that 30 days. If you don't, you can just leave your Facebook for 30 days, and after 30 days, it'll be removed or deleted. So that's how you guys can delete your Facebook account on app. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.